Hello kids, let's learn some. No. Let's solve some questions. This video has 10 problems and you need to find the missing numbers. Let's start. The first question is 9, 10. Then it's 11. Good you are. Next question 6, 7. Then it's 8. You are on a track, dear. Next question 11, 12. Then what? Exactly, it's 13. Perfect, you are. Next question 5, 6. Then it's 7. Next question 10, 11. Then incredible, my child, it's 12. Next 17, 18. Then 19. You are perfect, my dear. Next question 18, 19. Then 20. You're perfect. Next question 9, 10. Then exactly, it's 11. Next question 1, 2. Then yes, it's 3. Next question 4, 5. Then it's 6. Take your studies to next. You've done a perfect job, my child. Thank you.